Inspired.
Lately inspired.
The pro athletes buying into cryptocurrency fast. When you think of the word cryptocurrency, you might think that it's a bunch of nerds or even IT guys sitting behind their computers with a bunch of numbers up on the screen. Maybe you'll even recall a few businessmen who have invested in this new and improved form of currency. The last people you'd expect to be tied with something like Bitcoin are professional athletes. And yet, here we are. For this video, we'll be talking about the pro athletes who are buying into cryptocurrency fast. But before we do that, we first need to understand why they're investing in them in the first place. If you're not familiar with Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, then you might be at a loss for the true value of it in the sports world. But don't worry, that's what we're here for. Now, are you ready to learn about the pro athletes who have bought into cryptocurrency? And why they're doing it in the first place? If you're a fan of MMA, FIFA, or the NBA, then you might see a couple of familiar faces in here. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So, the first question we're going to answer today is why? Why are pro athletes even interested in something as mainstream as Bitcoin? I mean, shouldn't they be focusing on sports or something? Well, there isn't a specific reason why athletes are suddenly diving into cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. A number of factors are in place, and many of these players even have their own personal reasons for their investment choices. However, we think the main reason why is because many pro athletes look at cryptocurrency as an investment. Because they understand that their line of work relies heavily on income from endorsements, sponsorships, and their overall playing time. Professional athletes want to invest in something stable. Once their careers are over and their contracts are finished, they can sit back, relax, and rely on Bitcoin for a steady source of income. According to some, this reasoning is backed up by athletes requesting to be paid in Bitcoins. Moreover, Bitcoin is getting very popular nowadays. You might have heard that Starbucks and Nordstrom are accepting payments in cryptocurrency. Everybody has switched to credit cards, debit cards, and even online payments. So, when was the last time you actually used hard cash to pay for something? A long time ago, right? Well, same here. The switch to paperless method is considered a positive effect thanks to our advanced technology. Now, we don't have to waste paper or even lose money in the first place. In line with this reasoning, it's not hard to understand why people, even our very own favorite basketball players, are buying into cryptocurrency. It's the new trend, a trend that is diligently rising, especially when Bitcoin is clearly here to stay. The next question we'll be answering is who? Who are the athletes we know for certain are investing in cryptocurrency? Well, here are some of the names that might interest you. Serena Williams, Lionel Messi, Mike Tyson, and Floyd Mayweather. These athletes are known to have invested, bought, or even promoted crypto products. We'll discuss more in a second. Serena Williams recently launched a venture capital firm that has been investing in businesses and startups. This includes cryptocurrency exchanges, fashion, and fitness. On the other hand, Lionel Messi promoted an upcoming phone called Finney. The phone was named after Hal Finney, who was the first to receive a Bitcoin transaction from the creator himself, Satoshi Nakamoto. Mike Tyson, world-renowned professional boxer, is said to have been buying into crypto as early as 2015. He is even widely known to be the first celebrity to have sponsored a crypto product, aka the Mike Tyson Bitcoin ATMs. It even had a marketing headline that read, "Mike Tyson's fastest knockout in the ring was 30 seconds. The Mike Tyson Bitcoin ATM can turn your cash into Bitcoin in under 20 seconds. Now that's a headline. Lastly, we have undefeated boxer king himself, Floyd Money Mayweather. He sticks to his name, as he has been boasting about his wealth on his social media accounts. He even went on to become an ambassador of stocks, STX, a crypto product that ended up being a scam, which didn't look too good for Mayweather. There you have it, folks. Everything you need to know about the pro athletes who have surprised us by succumbing to the recent trends and buying into cryptocurrency. Who would have thought that athletes like Floyd Mayweather, Serena Williams, Mike Tyson, and Lionel Messi have switched it up? Not us. We always thought they had their head in the game and didn't have to worry about stuff like currencies. Guess we were wrong on that one. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more updates. Do you have anything you want us to cover for our next video? Let us know in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Are you ready?